讲到川普是美国史上第一个受到刑事指控的前总统，目前伊的身上尚无有4件官司咧拍，即马是搁再选调，这代表讲上起码伊伫咧做总统的这4年以来未去上班。未来川普要安怎来治国，这外界咧要。除了对中国扣重税、赶走非法移民，嘛可能去甲拜登起诉，甚至是扩大家己总统的权力。
伫咧佛罗里达州，西总路摊发表胜选的感言。78岁共和党总统候选人川普连任失败了，搁再一遍选总统，第2遍选调。美国媒体《纽约时报》根据川普进前的一寡谈话，有指伊搁做总统了，所有的内政甲外交会有正大的改变。
So we have a very good relationship. And I also have a very good relationship, as you know, with President Putin. And I think if we win, I think we're going to get it resolved very quickly. I really think we're going to get it resolved.
川普伫咧竞选时阵，捌讲又在调伫24点钟久内就结束俄乌战争，不过伊并无讲要安怎做。川普说落来要安怎回应俄乌战争，可能会替伊的外交期队定一个基调。另外一个同款伫战争的中东，川普对以色列的政策可能袂针对加沙人道主义提出任何附加条件。也可能互纳坦雅胡伫面对伊朗时阵更较自由。川普伫咧竞选时阵也个主张对中国采取强硬立场，暗示讲将会大幅度提悬中国商品的关税。这项政策也可能会影响来自欧洲的商品。
This is not a good result for Europe. Europeans are deeply concerned. They're phenomenally worried. This is at a time of low competitiveness across European economies when they don't want to be on the receiving end of a very tough and singular American line that pushes tariffs, that pushes them to cooperate on very strict agenda when it comes to China.
伊若伫内政方面，川普对移民打击的力量可能比第1任期时阵更较强，并且将会支持司法部起诉现任总统拜登一家伙仔，也个扩张总统的职权，甲这款独立机关纳入总统的管辖。不过，分析师认为，川普第一个要面对的也是经济的问题。公司新闻张伟林编写。